So a person is initiated, he's chanting Hare Krishna, and because of his prior practices in last life and his sincerity, he may be very pure in his attitude, very sincere in his practice, and actually chanting Shuddha Nam, beginning, now when is, because you were talking about stages of bhakti also in your question. You're talking about different stages of Nam which you thought existed, which don't exist. As I mentioned earlier, I looked up Prem Nam on a folio, and I didn't find anywhere in any Goswami books. The Narottam Das Thakur, Baladev Vidibhushan, 6 Goswamis, Puranas, Chaitanya Charitamrita, this concept of Prem Nam. Only in Chaitanya Charitamrita, I found like 30 entries about Prem Nam Sankirtan, Lord Chaitanya about Prem Nam Sankirtan. But the Prem Nam is a stage of chanting japa, which you seem to indicate. You chant Nama Bas, and then you chant Shuddha Nam, and then you chant Baba Nam and Prem Nam. There's nowhere. Everyone has a computer, folio. You won't find this term anywhere in any commentaries or tikas by our acharyas or in our shastras describing a stage of Harinam. They say there's 2 stages, Aparadnam and Shuddhanam. Now, we're in a stage of Anartha Nivritti, or beginning, if we're in that stage, and we're making Aparad. And part of those Aparads are Vaishnava Aparad, and Dhamma Aparad, and Seva Aparad, and Nam Aparad. So by chance, we somehow can avoid all the Aparads. Then we chant Shuddhanam. When we chant Shuddhanam, it begins the platform of Nishtha. Because Nishtha means it's the next stage after Anartha. So you can't be on the stage of Anartha Nivritti and chanting Shuddhanam, because Aparads are Anarthas. You follow? If you're making Nam Aparad, which is an Anartha, then you're in Anartha Nivritti. So now you're on the platform of Nishtha, you're chanting Shuddhanam. Now, if you keep chanting Shuddhanam, that Shuddhanam will take you through Shuddhanam at the stage of Nishtha, Shuddhanam at the stage of Ruchi, Shuddhanam at the stage of Asakti, Shuddhanam at the stage of Bhava, and Shuddhanam at the stage of Prema. There's a stage of Bhakti, Ado Shara Tatasara Sangha Bhajana Kriya, and the stage is Prema. So now you're a Premi Bhakti, and you're also chanting Shuddhanam, but you're having Leela Darshan. You're entering there and you're serving your Siddhadeya, Mandri Sarup, and long periods of time in Samadhi, Bhav Samadhi. So that's Shuddhanam at the stage of Prem.